crazy.
He was sitting there already.
Nah,
You
yo.
both gotta, you
But
know.
listen, the guy was sitting there.
Fuck
You couldn't
him
let
out
him
the
out.
Punch him in his mouth.
You weren't on the train. That's not right. Not right.
You saw what he did, right?
Yes.
That's some pussy shit.
So that he should have spoke up, but he didn't speak up, did you? You should have told him something.
Were you here when
It
the other
doesn't
guy
matter.
tried
I
to
saw what I saw. Then you should have
I
said
was
something.
the fuck. That's not the
Then you
point,
should have
though.
said
Were
something.
you here when the
Then
other-
you should have said something.
Were you here when
Then
the other
you
guy
should
tried to
have
get
said something. But he asked. Did you say something? You
course
did.
I did.
Okay. You didn't say nothing. So be quiet
You were
now.
louder than me.
You know what? I just got here. I saw what I saw. You know what? Then you should have said something.
You know what?
Please stop.
So
You
you
know
didn't
what?
see.
You know what? You don't talk about my fault. You know what? You should have said something. You should have said something. But he asked. He asked. You didn't say anything. You know what? Then be quiet.
The people YouTube world, we can't move nowhere because of this argument. The train's stuck. So you can't go nowhere. This is what I get after we all had a nice time at a concert. Now I get police action. So are we gonna move or anyway, YouTube world, we just got some police action on the end line. I will be posting this very shortly since I'm on the train and I can't post from this. Ping Mobile sucks as a carrier. See you all. Thank you for watching the live today. I remember my three magic words: success, peace, and thank you. And all of you who watch, thank you again.